Hi everyone, welcome back to CS Unlock. Today we will write a Python program to reverse a number. Okay, reversing a number means changing the order of its digit. For example, if we reverse the number 1 to 4, we will get 4 to 1. It involves rearranging the digits of the given number from right to left. See, there are several ways to reverse a number in Python language. In this approach, we will divide the number by 10 and add the remainder to the sum. Let's start writing down the code. N is equal to int input enter number. Perfect. Reverse is equal to 0. Perfect. While n greater than 0. Digit equal to n modulus 10. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus digit, and n equal to and remainder 10. We will print this reverse of the number. Okay, and let's add reverse. Perfect. Let's print this. Yes, enter number 1 2 3. So output is 3 2 1. Next is 5 7 6 6 7 5. So here is the code, and now you all know how to reverse a number in Python programming. Thank you.